Hey guys, welcome back to Up Quick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Seranova Beauty review. So you might be wondering, what is this Seranova Beauty that you may be hearing online? So Seranova's Micro-Infusion system is an at-home microneedle device that uses a single-use stamp with 24K gold-plated microneedles, thinner than the strand of hair, to create any micro channels in the top layer of the skin. Now, the premise is that it triggers the skin's natural healing response, stimulating collagen production while also letting the accompanying serum absorb more deeply than it would on unbroken skin. Now, each serum vial contains a blend of collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, bitter orange oil, and glycerin, and companion products include micro-infusion patches, self-dissolving microneedle patches for targeting areas like under the eyes or lip lines, and a deep collagen cream. Now, how do you exactly use this product here? In this case, you want to bend back and peel off the aluminum seal on the serum ampule. Now, remove the rubber stopper and pour the serum directly into the micro-infusion device. Now, gently press the stamp onto clean, dry skin across the face, neck, or lips to help the serum absorb. Now, a full session takes about 5 minutes. Keep the stamp at least 3 centimeter, roughly around 1.5 inches, away from the eyes, including eyelids. Now, the standard treatment include schedule is once every 2 weeks. Now, if the skin tolerates it well, this can be increased up to 3 times a month. Each stamp head is single use only and should be disposed after one session. Now, don't attempt to clean or reuse it. Afterwards, the site recommends applying a gentle hydrating product like a hyaluronic acid cream that same night, while avoiding retinol or other strong actives like glycolic or salicylic acid for at least 24 to 48 hours to let the skin settle. Now, mild redness or sensitivity right after treatment is described as normal and generally fading within a few hours to a day. Now, it shouldn't be used on irritated or broken or infected skin, and the manual directs discontinuing use and consulting a healthcare professional if any adverse reaction occurs. Now, it's actually safer to consult your doctor or your health provider or healthcare professional first before trying any kind of these products. Now, on the pricing side here, kits are sold in 1 month or 2 stamps or 2 serum vials, which in this case for 2 months, which is 4 stamps and 4 serum vials, and 3 months for 6 stamps, 6 serum vials, supply sizes. Now, with a 3 month supply size commonly listed around $159, if you're going to check that for a one-time purchase, lower with a subscriber save option if you're going to try that. And it comes with a 90-day result or refund guarantee across all supply sizes, requiring consistent use and progress documentation over that period per the return policy. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.